Hi! In front of me is OPPO A77s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Notifications and Status Bar. Now scroll down and click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Recorder. You can switch them back on the same way. If you want to, you can also just click on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!